Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to save a Microsoft Word file on Mac, PC, and OneDrive. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft OneDrive app from your web browser. Simply head over to onedrive.com and sign into your account using your Microsoft credentials. This ensures you have access to your cloud storage and can save your files securely across all your devices. Once you've entered your login details, wait a moment while the login process finishes. The system will verify your credentials and prepare your workspace. After a few seconds, you'll be automatically directed to your OneDrive dashboard. This is your main hub where you can view all your stored files, folders, and recent activity. From here, you'll be able to upload and manage all your documents seamlessly. Now, to save your Microsoft Word file on OneDrive, navigate to the left side menu of your dashboard. You'll see several options listed there. Click on Create or Upload to begin the process. This option allows you to either create new files directly within OneDrive or upload existing files from your device. It's a versatile feature that makes managing your documents incredibly convenient. After clicking, a File Explorer window will appear on your screen. This window displays all the files and folders currently stored on your device, making it easy to locate exactly what you need. From here, simply browse through your folders and select the Microsoft Word file that you wish to save to OneDrive. Take your time to find the correct document to ensure you're uploading the right file. It's important to note that this procedure works the same way across different platforms. Whether you're using a Mac, PC, or any other device, OneDrive is a universal app that functions consistently across all platforms. This means you can follow these exact same steps regardless of your operating system, making it incredibly user-friendly and accessible. Once you've located your Word file, click on it to select it. You'll notice the file becomes highlighted, indicating that it's been chosen for upload. Then, click on the OK button to confirm your selection. This initiates the upload process and begins transferring your document to the cloud. After confirming, your document file will now be stored and saved within your OneDrive app. Depending on the file size, this might take just a few seconds or a little longer. Once uploaded, your Word file will be accessible from any device where you're signed into OneDrive, giving you the flexibility to work from anywhere. And that's it! You've successfully saved your Microsoft Word file to OneDrive, making it accessible across all your devices. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.